Is it on? Not my face. I'm looking like a mess now. Alright. Hi guys. So this is going to be an unboxing video. My first time to order from, is there a name on it? Bakker. Yeah? Is it Bakker, darling? .com. It's
the joy of gardening starts here.
I know. So this is my first time to order from them. I think it's a plant shop from Holland.
Holland.
Yeah. Right.
That's not real wood, by the way. It's just cardboard.
So I ordered 3 plants, but I did not expect to get this really big box. So I want to make.
It's tough.
Oh my goodness.
It's a tough box.
Ooh, lots of soil. I can see some soil already.
I'll do an angle upwards. There you go.
I'm gonna peel off this. I'm gonna do that. Oh wow! Look at that. It's well packed. Oh, I didn't expect this to be this big. Look at that. Cool. I like the packaging. So this is a serious spiralis. It's a cactus. Oh wow, it's huge. I think we paid a good price for this, for the size. Now I'm excited. I'm gonna be cutting up soon. That is large. I'm happy with that. Now where I'm gonna put this?
Put it on the table.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, I'll get back to that. Now where's the other one?
See, Earth is coming from somewhere.
It's well packed, isn't it?
It is.
So that one is in a good condition.
It's come over from a different country, so they have to store it and keep it.
Oh, this is the... Oh my gosh. I'm so happy with the size of the plants. So this is a from Japan. I have to find like a really sunny spot for this one. And back in the Philippines, we have a huge plant in the backyard, and in the summer the flowers are heavily scented.
Heavily scented, yeah.
Really nice. And yeah, it brings back that memory. So I really like this one. I think that's normal that it sheds some leaves, but in the spring it's gonna come back.
Yeah.
So happy. I like that. It's a big size plant.
Yeah.
And the last one.
One more in there, there should be.
See if we can.
Assume it's at the end, because that was that end, so the one's at the end. There we go.
Oh, this is my aglonema. I've been eyeing this one for quite some time now.
Oh, see some reddish leaves.
Not as big. We'll see. The soil has been moist. Wow, look at that color.
Brightens up when the sun is on it.
Look at the color. Can you see it in the camera?
Yeah, I can. Beautiful.
Do you like it?
Shiny. Shiny and colourful.
Look at that. Oh, it's a beauty. I'm so happy with all my choices.
Wow.
Oh, it looks healthy, doesn't it?
Healthy.
It looks good.
Yeah, it does.
And I didn't expect it to be this small for the price that we paid. But it looks
Vibrant.
looks nice. I like it. So it took 5 days for the delivery. And in all, I'm happy. I'm happy with the conditions.
Boxing it up and taking each one.
Conditions of the plants.
Looks good.
And yeah. And the packaging.
Cool packaging.
Yeah.
I like the packaging.
I will definitely order from them again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video, enjoyed the plants as well. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice weekend.